Hi friends, today in this video I am going to explain basic sentence structure. اليوم في هذا الفيديو سوف أحدثكم على كيفية بناء جملة إنجليزية. So friends, after learning some English words and come to the next level how to make a sentence, so first you have to think about sentence structure. And in sentence structure you have to think about the subject. First thing is subject plus verb. بعد حفظ بعض الكلمات الإنجليزية وتنتقل إلى المستوى الثاني كيفية بناء sentence جملة للإنجليزي. فعليك أول حاجة أن تتذكر الذي هو كيفية بناء الجملة، وبعد ذلك تفكر في السبجكت الاسم، وبعد ذلك الفعل. In general, the English sentence structure is nominal, means it starts with subject. اللغة الإنجليزية تبدأ بالسبجكت. اللغة الإنجليزية يعني الجملة الإنجليزية تبدأ بالسبجكت بالاسم. This subject can be noun, pronoun or proper noun. وهذا الاسم أو السبجكت يكون noun اسم the book, the paper, the pencil, like this. Pronoun ضمير he, she, it, they, when, they, I, you, we, or proper noun like Ahmad, Huzaifa, Sam. This means the sentence structure in English is subject plus verb. وهذا يعني أن بناء الجملة هي subject زائدا verb، اسم زائدا فعل. Based on this structure, subject plus verb, there are 8 sentence patterns for the sentence structure in English. وبناء على هذه الجملة بناء الجملة تنقسم إلى 8 طرق. They can be classified into 2 major types. وهذه 8 طرق تنقسم إلى قسمين. First, subject plus verb. الأول subject زائدا verb، الاسم زائدا فعل. linking verb، ويكون الverb linking verb يعني يكون is, are, am etc. It may be is, are, am or anything in linking verb. Plus complement may be noun, adjective and adverb. You can see here the complement can be adjective, noun or adverb. The second part is subject plus verb action. والطريقة الثانية هي subject زائدا verb اسم زائدا فعل action. There are 5 basic patterns in the second type. Action verb like play, break, go, like this verbs. Subject plus verb, subject plus verb plus object, subject plus verb plus adverb, subject plus verb plus object 1 and object 2. Subject plus verb plus object plus complement. This complement can be noun or adjective. So today in this lesson I am going to explain these 3. وفي اليوم سوف أحدثكم عن هذه الثلاث وهذه الاثنين. As I told you that the main part of the sentence is subject and verb. كما قلت لكم أن بناء الجملة أهم شيء هو الاسم subject وبعد ذلك الverb. Subject is a person or thing doing the action or being described. For an example, Ali, this is a subject. She, we. علي اسم وشي ووي هما ضمير. Ali likes cake. She eats an apple. We play football. We can use also here the book, the pencil, like these names in subject, in the place of subject. Verb. Verb is a word that indicates action or a state of being or condition. A verb is the part of a sentence that tells us what the subject performs. For an example, he writes a letter. Amal cooks the dinner. She went to school. هذه went و cooks و write هذا فعل. write معناتها تكتب. cooks تطبخ. went ذهبت. And we can use also play لعب. From the subject plus verb linking, we will take subject plus verb linking verb plus adjective. الاسم زائدا linking verb زائدا الadjective. Example: أحمد is intelligent. أحمد اسم و is linking verb و intelligent اللي هو adjective. He was angry. I am tired. The workers are lazy. Rohan is handsome. She is beautiful. He is funny. We are lucky. You are busy. This book is useful. These all sentences are subject plus linking verb plus adjective. Here you can see I use noun and I use proper noun and I use also pronoun. The blue one, this blue one are all subject. هذه الألوان الأزرق هو subject في الاسم. And this red one is verb linking verb and this color is adjective. We will move to our next slide. subject plus verb linking verb plus noun. هذا الثاني هو subject الاسم زائدا linking verb زائدا النون الاسم النون. Example: Majd is my brother. We are teachers. He is a student. She is a doctor. We are engineer. My father is a professor. Rohit is an actor. We are writer. Sorry, you are writer. My sister is a story writer. The bear climbed the tree. Here we use subject plus linking verb plus noun. My brother, my sister. Teacher is also a noun. Student is also a noun. This blue one is subject as I told you, and this is a verb, and this color is a noun. Now we move to our third slide. subject plus verb linking verb plus adverb. ننتقل إلى الثالث وهو الاسم زائدا linking verb زائدا adverb. Ali is here. He is there. The air is everywhere. The flowers are there. Sam was in the city. Jack is next to Ahmed. The book is on the table. My birthday was yesterday. The national day is tomorrow. Diwali was last night. These all are examples of subject plus verb plus adverb. So this is the subject and this is the verb, and this red one is also adverb. Now we will come to our next slide. Subject plus verb, action verb. This is the second part. As I told you, this is the action verb. Subject plus verb. Example: the boy cried. Ali reads. She plays. He comes. The birds fly. I walk. They walk. We ran. You can see here this red color typed. This is a verb. Cried, reads, plays, comes, fly. This is an action verb. Walk, work, ran. Second form of run is ran. وهذه هي جمل من الجزء الثاني الذي هو subject زائدا verb action verb الذي هو الاسم زائدا الفعل الأكشن. وهذه الجمل منه الذي هي the boy cried الذي reads وهذه الباقية الجمل. Now we'll move to our next slide. Subject plus verb plus object. Subject plus verb plus object, which is action verb اللي هو subject الاسم زائدا الفعل زائدا الobject. In the short form we can say S plus V plus O. For an example, he likes cakes. I see my friend. She is writing a story. He likes rice. Huzaifa loves his job. We are cutting wood. I read newspaper. He plays cricket. You break the glass. She wears glasses. These all are examples of subject plus verb plus object. And here you can see this is the subject and SC is the verb and my friend is a object. This color, this blue color means subject and red color means verb and rice, this is the object, means object. This green color means object. Now we'll move to our next slide. Subject plus verb plus adverb. Subject plus verb plus adverb. السبجكت الاسم زائدا الفعل زائدا الادverb. For an example, Ali plays here. Ali plays here. He ran quickly. The girl sings everywhere. The flowers grow there. Ben walked carefully. Jack runs quickly. She dances nicely. Sita sings beautifully. I read fast. The boy cries loudly. These are the examples of subject plus verb plus adv means adverb. So the blue color is subject and this verb, this red color means the verb, and the dark red color is an adverb. So I hope that you understand how to make a basic structure sentence, and I hope that you will like this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. أتمنى أن هذا الفيديو نال إعجابكم، ولا تنسوا الاشتراك بالقناة وتفعيل الجرس.